Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a webinar funnel in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Webinar Funnel. Choose the Build an Audience goal and click Create. Inside your funnel, create a registration page where visitors can sign up for your webinar. Select a landing page template and click Edit Page. Add a compelling headline explaining the topic of your webinar and the benefits attendees will receive. Include the webinar date, time, and a brief description. Next, add a registration form to collect visitors' names and email addresses. Customize the call to action button with text like "Reserve my seat" or "Register now." After the registration page, edit the thank you page to confirm the registration and provide any additional instructions. Then connect the registration form to an email campaign so attendees automatically receive confirmation emails, reminder emails, and follow-up messages after the webinar. Click Save Changes and test the entire funnel before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a webinar funnel in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.